अजून मेरेन मुख्यमंत्र्यान तुम्ही येदो व्हडलो जो खवदळ घाला बरो खवदळ त्या बरो खवदळाचेर हुंय म्हणला चुंय म्हणला हे आमी कितें समजोवप तुमकां सपोर्ट आसा म्हणप काय हाजेर उलोवपाचें ना म्हणप.
हे पळय मुख्यमंत्री ही इज माय डायरेक्ट बॉस. And second thing is that every minister is a capable minister in this government and independent. I also have spent time in the Bharatiya Janata Party and now I have become a senior minister in this government. And everybody has the authority to work within the profiling of his portfolio as per the what policies, as per the rules of business within his framework. Nobody can tell you you can't function within your framework. You are here to function with your framework and you are accountable to the party. I am accountable to the chief minister. I am accountable to people of the state of Goa. But first, is I am accountable to myself as a minister, whether I am doing right or wrong, and I feel I am doing right, and I feel the people of Goa for a long term will always remember me as a town planning minister of the state of Goa.
Do you have absolute, unconditional and complete support of the chief minister for what you are doing?
My chief minister should support me and support
should
me. My
Asं
chief,
का
no,
म्हणता
I have
हांव?
not finished my.
okay.
Maka second line चेरूच कापता.
बरें.
My chief minister will always support all the good that I am doing. From time to time, whatever has to be briefed to him, that briefing is between me and him. And ultimately, how we run our portfolios or how we have actually fought this election together. We have come back to power. There were a lot of hues and cries before the election, but you must understand is that the chief minister's support is definitely there because the chief minister has given us enough independent freedom to function as ministers. As senior ministers, we definitely have more weightage in dealing with our portfolios. It's as simple as that. And he and me have an excellent rapport and relationship. But as far as dealing with these type of situations and dealing with these, there's a clause in the in your town planning act. It's called the emergency clause, section 40.
Yeah.
Is as in case of grave emergency, then the government is forced to take these actions, under which we have taken actions because we feel that Goa is under threat from certain few people.
You feel that your predecessors have pushed Goa into
Maybe
grave
please,
emergency.
Predecessors.
They pushed Goa into grave emergency. That's what it means. हांव बरी गजाल म्हणटा, हांव वायटूय म्हणना आनी इतल्याचेर थांबता म्हजो वेळ सारको सोंपला. म्हाका दिसता तुमी जे रिफॉर्म सुरू केल्यात ते डेफिनेटली गोंयकारांनी चिंतली नाशिल्लें असो कोणी येतलो आनी करतलो म्हणून. अजून म्हाका दिसता खूब जाणां विश्वास बसना. दॅट तो विश्वास बसतलो जेन्ना तुमचे एक्शन्स ज्यो आसात त्यो कंप्लीट एक ज्यो इतली एरियाज तुमी उलोवन दाखयल्यात थंय जावपा लागतल्यो तेन्ना त्यो तुमी कंप्लीट करच्यो अशें हांव मागता आनी गोंयची बरें जावं मागता आनी इतल्याचेर थांबता.